Good morning students. This video is for class 4 science and today also I will be writing the answers for you. In the last class I have already written question number 1, 2 and 3. Today I will write the remaining portion. Let us see. Question number 4 answers. In question number 4 they have said state some adaptations of plants growing on hills. Name some of these. So some adaptations of plants growing in the hills are. Then you write point wise. Number trees have thick bark. Trees have thick bark. Number 2, they are usually tall, straight and cone shaped. They are usually tall, straight and cone shaped. Number C, leaves are waxy and needle like. Leaves are waxy and needle like to prevent loss of water. Number D, these are flowerless trees and in place of flowers they have cones with seeds. They have cones with seeds. For example, they have asked you example. So for example, pine, fir, deodar, etc. So this is the answer for these are the adaptation of the trees growing in the hills. Please note it down. Next, question number 5. In question number 5 they have said, what are the adaptation of plants growing in coastal areas, that means besides the seas and rivers or oceans? So let us write number 5 answer. The adaptation seen in the trees of coastal areas are. What are the adaptation that can be seen? Number A, they can tolerate the presence of saline soil and withstand long they can tolerate strong blowing winds. Number B, they can grow in saline, that means salty water, soil, the soil that contains lot of salt in it. Number C, they bear many leaves and do not shed them throughout the year. They do not shed their leaves throughout the year. And number D, the dispersal of these the fruits of these trees are done by water. And in this, they have not asked you few example, but we will write for example coconut, teak, rubber, etc. So these are the adaptation that we can see in the plants that grow beside the ocean, seas or rivers. So please note this down, children. For today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will do the last answers. So we will do the answers for the last question. So for today up to this much. Thank you, children.